We are standing outside of the 35095 office building, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's the date and time. We're gonna go take a ride on the elevator here, and we're not gonna start by going in. We're gonna start by going down to what they call it a basement, which is like an extra parking area. So this elevator is like a generic elevator with Adams fixtures, I think. And I've been checking on these elevators to see if they're gonna be modernized. Oh, it's locked. I guess we'll have to go upstairs. Alright. We'll go down first. Oh, it's a Sunrise elevator. Hi. I've got to remind myself to always check down there because typically the labeling is down there. That's weird. It's not promising. Up to 2. That's a nice dot matrix indicator. That didn't sound good. Let's get a view. As you can tell, this is a pretty nice building, and I never knew that was an atrium. And it went down. Oh. I know, right? That's this place. Those are the different companies here. And I'm being looked at by a guy. This is your basic Adams fixtures here, and we're gonna make way for the people coming out. Oh, we got no one. Let's give the bumper a test. Open on a B. Here's your cab view. It's very nice. I again am blocked by the light. ADA compliant. Certificate. We're up to date on that. That's good. Here's your things. Go back up to 2. And we're gonna end it at 1 after that. Watch the button go this time, we missed it. There's your call cancel button. Alright. Now we're gonna go down to 1. Door close button does work, I believe. And watch the indicator one last time. Video might be a bit lousy and just recovering from a cold, so apologies for that. Alright, there it goes. And now we're gonna go walk over to the other building, which has an old Dover, and I'm expecting it to get modded pretty soon, so I'll be coming here really frequently to check up on it. Looks like they have some sort of bank inside of here, and there's the parking down there. Got your stairs right there. There might be no one in here right now. It might be closed because I saw no cars here when I pulled up here. See, there's no one here. It might be closed because of renovations, but moment of truth. I was just here a couple of days ago and it was working, it was open, but there's lights on in there, so there's no signs, so if I'm in there, I shouldn't get busted. It works. Wow. Let's see if this is still here. Yeah, look at that. This one's got a bumper. Oh. I want to go right. What about you guys? I want to go right. This has been upgraded with the ThyssenKrupp sticker. Look at this place is getting renovated. That's why I've come to believe that this elevator is going to get modernized. I'm going to have to look up on the records what year this was installed. Speaking of records, here's the certificate. And that's the license number. I'll take a picture of that so I can memorize it for later. Go look at your phone. ADA compliant. Now we're gonna go up to 3 and check it out. Door close. Does not work. At least we're not in a Schindler. The door close button is sure to not work. That doesn't click. Capacity 3,500. Look at this roof style. I like it. There's your electric eye, and there's your bumper. As you can tell, they're renovating this building. And I probably will end up meeting the people who manage this place. But I'm not gonna walk into anything because the only times I've been busted are because of empty buildings and private areas. So that's that. And that's your water fountain. Very, very nice. And now we'll go down. Right, time to go right. My bad, we're going right. As you can tell. Let's test out the bumper. Very nice. Here's your fixtures, your lantern, and now we're gonna go down to 1. Sounds like the market parking garage was. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what they do with this building. There's your electric eye. You can hear it. And that's the Robson Eye Institute. And there it goes, and we'll look over here really quick. You see they're ripping up all the floor. I don't know if this is the new floor, original floor, but there's your other water fountain. Let's give it a test. It doesn't even work. Oh, maybe it does. Oh well. Dr. Jeff. Okay. And air conditioning set at 80. But look at this. That's nice. All right, that's it.